Article 2, Declaration of Principles and State Policies. Principles pa rin tayo, pero Section 2. The Philippines renounces war as an instrument of national policy, adopts the generally accepted principles of international law as part of the law of the land, and adheres to the policy of peace, equality, justice, freedom, cooperation, and amity with all nations. So ano nga ba to mga to? Ano ba tong mga jargon na ginagamit dito sa 1987 Philippine Constitution? Malino naman sa teksto, renounces war as an instrument of national policy. So, as much as possible, iilagan natin yung war o pakikipaglaban, pakikipagdigma bilang ating national policy. So, ibig sabihin ng renunciation of war is yung para ma-achieve yung national goals natin or yung mga polisiya natin, hindi natin gagamitin ang war o digmaan as much as possible, and we will not engage in any aggressive or any forms of offensive warfare. At tayo'y committed na resolbahin yung mga problema with peaceful means. Then, as for the adoption of generally accepted principles of international law as part of the law of the land, simply means na yung international laws na available such that Geneva Convention, i-a-adapt natin siya sa bansa natin. Ina-adapt natin siya sa bansa natin as a convention for us to obey. Isang example niyan, for example, nasa digmaan tayo. Isang part ng Geneva Convention is yung pinagbabawalan yung pagbaril sa mga medical officers. Kahit sundalo sila or sabihin natin na mga nasa Red Cross sila, mga volunteer ng International Red Cross, hindi natin sila pabarilin kahit na ginagamot nila yung mga ah, sundalo ng kalaban. Because it is an international law or convention. Yung isa ring part na Geneva Convention is yung prohibition ng pagbaril sa mga paratroopers mid-air, yung mga nagpa-parachute para pumunta sa war zone nila. So kahit nakalaban pa natin yan, dahil pinagbabawal ng Geneva Convention, hindi natin sila babarilin. Basically, ang Section 2 ay nagdi-discuss lamang ng mga ng isang provision kung saan as much as possible, nare-retain natin yung renunciation of war in any types of conflicts. Which means ginagawa natin last resort to. Hindi lang natin siya kailangan i-apply ng basta-basta. Hindi natin pwedeng i-apply yung war sa mga bagay-bagay na pwede naman natin resolbahin through peaceful means. That is Section 2.